The journey of a kitchen renovation begins with meticulous planning. Start by envisioning your ideal kitchen layout and functionality. Consider the style, colors, and materials you want to incorporate. Create a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves, and prioritize them. This will guide your decisions throughout the renovation process. Selecting the right contractor is crucial. Ensure they are licensed and insured to protect yourself from potential liabilities. Ask for proof of licensing and insurance before signing any agreement. Additionally, get multiple quotes from different contractors to compare prices and services. This will help you find the best fit for your project. Avoid common pitfalls by doing thorough research. Always check references and read online reviews to ensure the contractor has a good reputation. Don't skip having a detailed written contract outlining the scope of work, timeline, and payment schedule. This will prevent misunderstandings and ensure both parties are on the same page. Establishing a realistic budget is essential for a successful renovation. Determine your budget before starting the project and stick to it. Factor in unexpected costs and set aside a contingency fund. This will help you manage your finances effectively and avoid overspending during the renovation. Once the planning and hiring are done, the renovation process begins. The timeline typically depends on the scope of work, but most projects are completed within 4 to 6 weeks. Contractors will handle all necessary permits and inspections, ensuring the work meets local regulations. Be prepared for some disruptions during this period, but the end result will be worth it. As the renovation nears completion, focus on the final touches. Ensure all work is done to your satisfaction and address any concerns with your contractor. A detailed walkthrough will help identify any last-minute adjustments needed. Once everything is in place, enjoy your newly renovated kitchen, tailored to your needs and style. Speak to a kitchen renovation expert and start your renovation journey today. Call us at 857-437-5988 for a free quote.